Okay, boss, what's our job tonight?
All right, tonight we're gonna move everything out of here. And
Uh-huh.
we're gonna put shelves along this whole wall because when I do shoe repair, I always have tons of shoes to lay out. And so we're gonna put shelves everywhere. We're gonna clean this out, find a place for this,
Okay.
and I'm gonna hold on to this stud finder all night long.
Okay, so you have enough brackets for all this, I hope.
Okay, let me put this on you, Joe.
So we're gonna have like a U-shaped shelves. When we get done with this, that's the project here
Yeah.
tonight, so that you can
Yeah.
get some of these shoes over here and down here. And we had a table here. You
Yeah.
were noticing the other night,
Yeah.
we had a table here with all kinds of shelves, so, or shoes. So that's why we're gonna put shelves up here,
That's right.
okay?
It's gonna be great.
All right,
Okay.
let's do
do
it.
it.
You know what I see?
What do you see?
Progress.
Totally.
Yes.
All right.
And now we have to find some studs,
Start on this wall.
okay? So we're gonna find some studs, and we're gonna make these shelves like an L instead of a U-shaped, right?
Yes.
So we'll find some studs and figure out how we're gonna do this. We've got some brackets here.
How come it's doing this?
Just reset it. When it does that, then just push the little side button again and then slide it
Okay.
against the wall. There you go. Okay, stop.
So that's the edge.
Yes, now just do it real easy and then try it again. Stop.
I hit it there.
Okay, that's the edge. And then you're gonna mark the center of it.
Okay, I got two different measurements.
Yeah,
Let's try it again.
right there. Okay,
That's it right there.
okay. All right, so we've got 4 shelf brackets some vertical ones here. We're gonna figure out this and we'll get right
I
back.
bet there's one right here because I can see this.
Yes, good thinking, Batman. Okay, put a mark where you think
The
it goes.
edge, that would be the middle. See, that's where the seam is on
Yes.
the drywall.
Okay, as long as you know what you're doing, that's all that matters, right? Okay, now you got this wall over here.
Okay,
We're gonna figure that out.
this one's a little harder because there's no seams on it.
Okay, and we've got a shelf going from left to right, 12 inches deep, so we're probably not gonna, well, we might hit that. Let's just figure out where all the studs are, and then we'll figure out where we've got 2 vertical brackets,
I'm getting two different readings.
supports, and then we'll figure it out.
Okay, so this would be the center right there.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay, we got some brackets up there. You ready to put these up?
Okay, I was having fun watching you do it though.
Well, I found the center of the stud there, and see, this bracket isn't as high as the wall, so you're gonna put that up there where you think, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm thinking to leave room for an extra shelf up top for maybe some storage above the light.
Right.
Maybe like that.
Okay. That'll be good because then the bracket doesn't have to go all the way down to the bottom, even if you put a
Yeah, because I got
shelf
a shelf right here.
at the bottom. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right. So we'll get those marked and.
I see what you're saying, because that way, this is the lowest shelf I could have is right there.
Yes. Yes.
Versus if I went down here,
Yes. But then see,
a lot of space up there.
I think you should utilize your space up high too.
Me too.
Because
Because I can always put boxes of material or something down
Yeah,
there.
and because that top shelf can be right up above that light, yes?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, and then we'll just have to see what happens down at the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hey, you want a screw?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay. I'm gonna put one here because it's easiest.
Hey, now that you got that marked,
Yeah.
right there in the middle,
Yeah.
we just have a mark on the wall, and then we're gonna put a mark on the wall for the other 3 vertical rods before we screw that in, okay?
Now I have a. Are we gonna try to do it level? Are we gonna put the level next to it, or?
Yeah, we can do that. I've got a level with me.
Sure. Do you recommend that?
Well, you can, but generally, as a rule, these walls are pretty plumb, and since these are just storage shelves, we could just measure off the walls and the ceiling and be done with it.
Should
But
I
I got a level 2, so
Should I do that? Just
So we'll
mark
be
it
good.
with my little tool.
yes, your little tool. Okay.
Okay, Joe. I'm ready.
Okay, screw that puppy in.
And not too tight, right?
Well, is it snug, or do we need to use longer ones? I thought the 2-inch would be plenty.
Well, I think it's fine. I just thought maybe we could line it up with that other mark down here first.
Okay.
Before we. Okay.
Yes.
Ready? Here we go.
Okay. She's getting shelves up finally. Okay,
Woo!
go down at the bottom. Let's see.
This is where your mark is.
Okay, hold on for a minute. 15 and along 3/4. Ooh, that looks pretty good.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh, how's that?
That's good.
Okay, snug. Snug as a bug in a rug.
And that's how that's
Okay. Hey, you're a pretty good screwer.
done. Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. Oh,
As you saw.
yes, as I saw. Right. Okay, grab those screws in that pink little pouch of yours
I know, isn't it cute? Should I put one more here?
and screw it off.
Okay. Haha. That's
Hey,
pretty good.
hey, you know what? I got a question for you.
What's that?
How much do you work for by the hour? Because I might need some help once in a while. You look like you do that pretty good. Okay, go ahead and put
Oh, yeah,
another
there's
one up there. Oh, here's your
What?
here's your little step stool.
I can't do it from here?
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Only 3 more brackets to go. Okay.
How long did that take?
It didn't take very long. It didn't take very long.
Okay.
We might put a couple extra screws in there when we get
Yeah.
done. Or you want to put them in? Go
I
ahead.
think I'm gonna. At least
Okay.
this bottom one.
Okay. Yeah, those shoes can be heavy.
Yeah. You never know. I don't want to strip it.
Yes. See, when you're making all those noises like that, you know what that tells me? It tells me you're not holding the drill straight
Really?
with the screw, because it's not supposed to do that. You're just supposed to ram that sucker in.
Ah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But that's okay. Hey, the more you do it, the better you
Does that mean I have
get.
to do the rest of the brackets myself?
Maybe.
Okay.
Here, let me hold that up there for you. Got it?
Yeah.
Where it needs to go?
Yep.
Do it!
Okay.
Okay. That almost knocked you over on the side.
I need a pink sweatband now.
Okay, we're gonna do it this way. 31 and a half. And line that up. Right there. And we're gonna check it off the wall.
Okay.
Ooh, that looks pretty good right there.
Okay.
Okay, here, do it down,
Down
low.
low.
Do the low one first.
Okay.
Okay?
I will. So you say the last time it was making noise because I wasn't holding it straight.
Right.
Oh yeah, I see what you
There,
mean.
there
They're
you
right
go.
in there.
There you go.
Right on.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's tough getting those stripped nails, screws out of there.
I'm gonna make a carpenter out of you yet.
All right.
Oh, that's right though. You just want to do shoes.
Yeah.
You see? Did you see that?
Yeah.
Those went in way easier.
Holy.
It didn't chatter.
The sooner I get this done, the sooner I get a beer.
Oh, the sooner I get a Diet Coke if you're gonna buy me one, because I already drank mine.
Nice.
You know what? You couldn't do this if you didn't have your pink nail bag
I
on.
know, I love my pink nail bag. Oh, it's so great.
Okay. Look at that concentration. Oh, nice. Okay,
One
what
more.
I would do with those high ones,
Get the stool.
yeah, get the stool, because then you've got the extra added weight to push it straight
Sure.
in. You know what I
Okay,
mean?
That makes sense.
Then it doesn't chatter like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know when I'm trying to teach people shoe repair, they think they know how to hold things, and they don't.
Yep.
So I'll listen.
Okay. Yeah, do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
See?
You light up my life, Joe.
You're getting a little sweaty. You're getting a little sweaty there. You're having too much fun or something. Okay.
Okay.
So see, now we can just put the brackets. We can put
Yeah.
just the little brackets because you got 6 shelves. We're going to put 6 shelves on that side, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Whole lots of shoes.
All right.
I like it.
Okay.
Okay.
See ya.
Okay, see ya.
Okay, we got some brackets up there. Way to go.
Yep.
Now we measured those and we're going to cut those off from left to right. And we're going to fit them in there. We got 6 shelves in there. That's what you want on that back
Yeah,
wall,
that's
right?
gonna be great. There's gonna be a ton of storage right
Okay.
there.
I wonder who's going to cut these shelves.
Okay.
Okay, you ready for this?
Okay.
All
now I need
right.
a beer. Is that OSHA safety code?
No, but you might need some safety glasses. I'm not sure. Do you have any?
I know, so cute.
Oh my gosh! Are those pink?
They're pink. Thanks,
Look
Joe.
at that. They
I just
match?
haven't put rhinestones on them yet.
Oh yeah, you got to do that. I got to see them after you do that, all right?
Okay.
Okay, let's cut some shelves.
All right.